Waking up early is something that always energizes me. I wake up at 3:30 a.m. and I have just a little time on my hands before I begin with work. After switching off my alarm, the first thing I do is smile. Okay, I try my best to. Smiling and happily getting up in the morning, and in my case, if I may say dawn, helps generate positive vibes. I truly believe how we begin our day affects the rest of the day. It's not every day that I happily wake up immediately as my alarm rings, so I use the 5-second rule. I count backwards from 5 to 1 and make sure I get up in those 5 seconds. You can watch my video on the 5-second rule. It will be available in the top right corner or in the video description. Hydrating myself as soon as I'm up is something I never fail to do. I always have my bottle right beside my bed. Next, I make my bed. I have been doing this for some years now, and it's a habit which I believe each and every one of us must inculcate into our morning routines. It takes me another 10 minutes or so to freshen up. I always take my time when it comes to brushing my teeth. I never hurry. Together, I also wash my face using a face wash. The fragrance helps me feel a lot more fresher. I'm usually done with my routine till now in about 12 to 15 minutes time. Not to forget, I usually walk around while brushing my teeth. It helps me wake my body and get some steps. I usually complete about 800 to 1000 steps before I begin with work. I also hydrate myself again and again during this time. I think it's important for everyone to adequately hydrate themselves in the mornings. After freshening up, I immediately change into a pair of clothes I already kept ready the previous night. Keeping my clothes ready for the next day is part of my night routine. It helps me make one less decision in the morning, which helps me save time and energy. I will make a video on my night routine sometime soon. Now that I'm all ready, I sit down to meditate for 8 to 10 minutes. Meditating in the morning helps me calm my mind and energizes me too. I really do not have the words on how to explain the positive and fresh feeling I get after meditating. After completing my meditation, this is the first time I actually check my phone. I check for any messages from my students in case the class has been cancelled. I don't use my phone for anything else at this time of the day. For those who don't know, I teach chess. I am a chess coach by profession. If you're a novice and you're interested in learning to play chess, you should definitely check out my Skillshare course, where I teach all the required fundamentals for complete beginners. Anyway, getting back to my routine, usually it's about 3:55 a.m. or so by now, and I have just 5 minutes or less left for my class to begin. I rush to the kitchen. I rush to the kitchen, make myself some green tea, and if not, I just get myself some warm water to sip through during my lessons. At 4 a.m., I begin with my classes. I do not have a fixed and the same schedule every single day, so it differs every day. Depending on how many classes I have, my following routine adjusts accordingly. As the sun rises, we get some golden light in the mornings, making its way into our kitchen. And this is something I really love absorbing, even if it's just for a couple of minutes. In between my classes, if I get the time, I go for a morning walk or workout. And if not, I do it after my classes, which may be after 4 to 5 hours. I usually combine my workouts and my morning walk, so I accommodate a good amount of me time in my morning routine. I usually begin my walks with no distractions. I just enjoy nature and everything going around me for 5 to 10 minutes at least. And then I pop in my earphones and listen to some morning motivation on YouTube or a podcast or maybe Audible, depending on my mood. Listening to something motivating and positive in the morning really boosts my energy and motivates me to do my best. Once I'm back home, I take a break of about 5 minutes and hop on my computer after that. I express my daily gratitude and affirmations, maybe journal a bit if I feel like it. Once that's done, I review my tasks for the day and make my plans accordingly. This again doesn't take me too long since the previous night I've already made some plans for today. Our morning and night routines can complement each other if we do it the right way. Now I'm back in the kitchen making myself some ragi or sattva, as they say in Konkani. As I'm making this, I intake my greens supplement. I don't like the ragi hot. I actually don't like it at all. I have it only because it's healthy and I lose nothing having it. So as it cools down, I have a daily cleaning routine of about 10 minutes. In these 10 minutes, I can wash the dishes, sweep the house, or do any other cleaning activity, whatever I wish to. Once the ragi cools down, I gulp it down my throat. I have my breakfast usually between 10 to 11 a.m. And yes, that's it. My morning routine ends here. What does your morning routine look like? Be sure to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.